So after you modeled your parts, you're going to assemble this in an assembly file. Looking at this one, I have kind of a cutaway version here. The handle is going to fit in. There's going to be a little space underneath. You want to have this inserted. And on the thumb screw, you want that to actually be tangent to the surface of the drill rod. So we're going to start with a new standard IAM. We're going to go to place and we're going to bring in our pieces that we need. So you can grab all four at the same time if you want. We'll hit open on those, drop those in. Just kind of move those away from each other. And first thing I'm going to do is go to insert. I'm going to drop the handle in there. So I'll go to insert. I'm going to grab this ring up here and I'm going to grab that ring on the base. We'll hit apply on that. The drill rod itself does not need to be set to any certain depth. The whole idea with this is that you can move this up and down and drop that in. Now you notice when I grab this, things are moving around, so I'm going to go ahead and ground the base. And then I'm ready to put this in. So first thing I'm going to do is rotate that so it's kind of aligned the right way. So I'm going to hit G on my keyboard and then I'm going to rotate that around. And then I'm going to go to constrain and I'm going to line up the center line with the center line of the hole. And I'm just going to hit OK on that, and then I'm going to slide it out of there so that I can do a tangent mate from the end of the thumb screw to the surface of the drill rod. So I'll go back to constrain, go to tangent, I'll select the end of the thumb screw, and then select that cylindrical face on the drill rod and hit OK. And that's going to pop that right into position for me. If you wanted to check that, you could go over to your view menu and take a look at this, maybe in wireframe. You can see how that goes right in there and hits that. At this point you're ready to save it, and then we're going to pick up on the next video doing inventor presentations.